Welcome to INEHub, your trusted partner for earning online. Are you ready to take your trading game to the next level? Binance just dropped an exciting campaign where you can subscribe to Smart Arbitrage and share in $25,000 USDC rewards. If you don't already have a Binance account, sign up through our link and get free trading signals and more. This limited time opportunity is part of the Binance Earn Carnival. By subscribing to the Smart Arbitrage product, you can unlock daily rewards with minimal effort. It's simple, effective, and designed to boost your passive income. Smart Arbitrage is a powerful feature on Binance that helps you earn more by leveraging price differences across the market. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced trader, this is your chance to grow your portfolio effortlessly. Here's the exciting part. Binance is offering a share of $25,000 USDC in rewards to participants. The more you participate, the higher your chances of maximizing your earnings. Don't wait. Use our exclusive Binance affiliate link in the description below to sign up. Not only will you gain access to incredible features like Smart Arbitrage, but you'll also support INEHub's mission to bring you the best tips and tricks for financial success. At INEHub, we're dedicated to helping you discover endless opportunities to earn online. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more updates, expert reviews, and free trading signals. Join the Binance Earn Carnival today and let your profits soar. Click the link below, start your journey with Binance Smart Arbitrage, and take the first step toward financial freedom with INEHub.